the Superstition Mountains, Arizona. These legendary mountains have always attracted creative individuals. Today we catch up with veteran painter Bob Fisher, owner of RLF Painting, whose company has been selected by Landmark Builders to supply all of the paint and stain finishes for this custom home in the shadow of the Superstitions.
Well, I got into painting business 30 years ago accidentally, pretty much, because I did it with my best friend in high school. After that I did some odd things, and then I got back into painting because I really enjoyed it. I enjoy the challenge, I enjoy the diversity, that things that are going on in the industry. I like the things that are happening in the painting industry, and I like to stay on the leading edge of that, doing things that a lot of people don't do. It just fulfills me. It makes me happy. I wanted to be the boss. I wanted to be able to make the decisions and do the right thing for the people that I was working for. So many times I saw things that were being done incorrectly. So I wanted to take that upon myself and do the right thing every time. And that's very important to me, to be able to do the right thing for every client that we work for and every person that RLF does work for. I just really strive to do the best for them. In the industry in a whole, with the market the way things are today, you know, you have to be diversified and be able to do everything from a small little door up to a mansion or a large building. My crew, a lot of them are really like a family. A lot of them I've had working for me for close to 20 years. Some of them were straight out of high school and they don't have father figures in their lives, and I feel that. And I don't mind. It's nice to see and take a person that doesn't know anything and bring them up to where they're able to be a leader. To maybe someday they'll be a painting contractor, and you know, and that'll be a sense of accomplishment in my life. When we get a call at RLF, it's either taken in the office or I take it in the field. We will respond to them either the next day or whenever they are going to be available to come out, look at their project. We find out their needs and their desires, what their requirements are, and then we incorporate that into a bid or a pricing for each individual client. And a lot of the special finishes we do, a lot of people do them, but what we try to do is come up with special finishes that are not only elegant and beautiful and just a really wonderful look for any house. It could be for a small powder bath, for a decorative wall. But we've tried to come up with those finishes that are very economical for people to use. This is a custom remodel for Landmark Builders, and they're one of our customers that we do continual work for. And at this job, we were given the opportunity to do a lot of different kind of unique, special things throughout, not only the faux throughout the entire house, but also the custom plaster in the powder bath. For the city of Phoenix, we did a large commercial project for them, so we're able to handle whatever you have. The job is not completely done until you are 100% satisfied. Don't put off that painting project any longer. Give us a call now and see how we can create a new look for your home or business. I am Bob Fisher, and you will love our work.